Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we are dealing with the maxima and minima problems. From this topic you are going to get one long question, 7 marks question. Okay, so now come to the question. A window in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by semicircle. If the perimeter of the window is 20 feet, find the maximum area. So see, this is the shape of window. So here if you observe, this is a rectangle. In that surmounted on its head, right, one frame is there in semicircle, half circle, right. See exactly, if you complete it, it becomes a full circle. So here window is in the shape of rectangle box, right, surmounted by semicircle, right. It's on head, semicircle is there, that is window shape. Okay, so and perimeter of the window is given to you. Perimeter, outer surface area, right, is given to you. Okay, and with that find the maximum area of this window. So maximum area of the window means area of a rectangle and area of a semicircle, isn't it? So come on, first what is the given information to us? First we will write, right, let R be the radius. Circle means, right, radius. If you take a semicircle means half circle, then also radius is R only. Okay, we have taken semicircle, right, this circle, okay, this part. So there also radius is R only. So let R be the radius, right, radius of semicircle, and X be one side of rectangle box, rectangle, just rectangle, isn't it? It is X be one side of rectangle. Okay, so what is the given information to you? Perimeter is given to us. Given that perimeter is equal to 20 feet, right? 20 feet is given to us. So observe, here R means this side, R means this side R, isn't it? This is diameter, right? 2 times of radius. So this is R, this is R, it is a rectangle box. The total is 2R. So here also 2R. I have taken one side of this rectangle as X, means this side also it is X. Okay. Now we have to take perimeter as 20 feet. So perimeter means from here to here, here, here. This is called the perimeter. So how we will get it? Perimeter means outer length of the window. So here X, next plus 2R plus X, next we should get this. So circumference, this is called the circumference of the circle. So it is 2 pi R. Outer surface, right, outer length is 2 pi R circumference, but we are taking only half semicircle, so by 2, that is pi R. Okay, so that's why your perimeter is X plus 2R plus X plus this length, right, that is pi R. Okay, it is called circumference. Okay, circumference of the circle, 2 pi R. We have taken semicircle, 2 pi R by 2, that is pi R. Okay, so come on, it is X plus 2R plus X plus circumference of semicircle, that is pi R, is equal to 20. Okay, so now x plus x 2x 2x is equal to 20 minus 2r minus pi r. Okay. So, with the given information. So, find the maximum area. So, our function should be area of the window, right? So, come on, we have to take area of window. So, what is the area of window? Area of a rectangle plus area of semicircle. So, it is area of rectangle, right, plus area of semicircle. Okay. So, area of circle is pi r square. So, semicircle half of the area. So, it is pi r square by 2. And area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Okay. So, 2r into x. Okay. So, is equal to area is equal to area of a rectangle 2r into x, length into breadth, breadth into length, both are same, plus area of semicircle. Area of circle is pi r square and area of semicircle, half of the area, that is pi r square by 2. Okay. And what is your 2x? 2x is this one. Here we can write area is equal to, this can be written as r into 2x plus pi r square by 2. What is your 2x? 2x is this one. So, r into, come on, it is 20 minus 2r minus pi r plus pi r square by 2. Okay. So, come on, what is your area? So, A is equal to, what is the value? 20r, okay, minus 2r square minus pi r square plus pi r square by 2, that is your area. So, your area is in terms of r now. Your area is a function in terms of r, and question is maximum area. So, we have to find the maximum area. That means area attains either maximum or minimum at dA by dr is equal to 0. So, previously we have taken df by dx, dv by dx. Why? Their functions are in terms of x, but now your function is in terms of r. Okay. So, come on, area attains, right? Area attains maximum or minimum. Okay. Maximum or minimum at where? dA by dr. Why dr? Remember, generally our habit is we will differentiate with respect to x, dA by dx, dv by dx, df by dx, like that we will do. But here your A is the function in terms of r, equation in terms of r. So, we can only differentiate with respect to r. That's why dA by dr is equal to 0. At that place, the area attains either maximum or minimum. So, come on, find out your dA by dr. So, dA by dr is equal to d by dr of 20r minus 2r square minus pi r square plus pi r square by 2. Okay. So, whenever plus minus, we have to take separate derivatives. You know it very well, isn't it? So, after doing a big derivative chapter, right, d by dr of 2r square minus d by dr of pi r square plus d by dr of pi by 2 r square. Okay, so constant, right? So 20 into d by dr of r is 1 minus 2 d by dr of r square is 2r minus pi is a constant, d by dr of r square is 2r. Next plus pi by 2 into d by dr of r square is 2r. 2 cancels, right? So is equal to 20 minus 4r minus 2 pi r plus pi r. Okay, so is equal to 20 minus 4r minus pi r. This is your dA by dr. Okay, we have to equate dA by dr to 0. Equate dA by dr to 0. Okay, so implies 20 minus 4r minus pi r is equal to 0. So come on, implies 20 is equal to 4r plus pi r. Okay, so 20 is equal to r is equal to 4 plus pi. So what will be our r value now? So 20 by 4 plus pi is equal to r. We got our small r value. Okay, but what is the question? Maximum area. So at this r point, our area attains either maximum or minimum. We don't know whether it attains maximum or minimum at this r point. To know whether it attains maximum or minimum, we have to find d square a by dr square, second derivative, right? So to know area attains maximum or minimum, okay, we have to find which value? D square a by dr square, d square a by dr square at r value. Okay, so come on, now you take your d square a by dr square. So it is d by dr of dA by dr. So d by dr of dA by dr. What is the value? dA by dr is 20 minus 4r minus pi r. So come on, 20 minus 4r minus pi r. Whenever we are having plus minus, we will take separate derivatives, isn't it? 20 minus d by dr of 4r minus d by dr of pi r. Okay, so d by derivative of numbers and letters 0, constant, derivative of constant is 0. Here 4 is a constant, d by dr of r is 1 minus pi is constant, d by dr of r is 1. So is equal to minus 4 minus 5, both are minus, that means less than 0. So you got your d square a by dr square value is less than 0, right? If area is negative, it attains maximum, right? So therefore, here only we will write, therefore area is maximum at which value? R is equal to, what is R value? 20 by 4 plus pi. Question is, find the maximum area. Find maximum area. That means in the area formula, right? In this area formula, in place of, otherwise better we got our x value, no. So you take this formula, right, wherever r is there, right, with there we can substitute. Actually here this is area formula in terms of our area of rectangle and area of semicircle, but we got only r value. So we can take this formula which is in terms of only r, so that we can substitute and we will get our maximum area. So come on, take the maximum area. Maximum area A is equal to, come on, 20r minus 2r square minus pi r square plus pi r square by 2. So r is 20 by 4 plus pi. So come on, 20 into 20 by 4 plus pi minus 2 into 20 by 4 plus pi whole square minus pi into, come on, 20 by 4 plus pi whole square plus pi into 20 by 4 plus pi whole square by 2. Okay, so is equal to 400 by 4 plus pi minus 20 whole square, 400. 400 into 2, right, that is 800. Downwards 4 plus pi whole square minus pi into 20 whole square, 400 by 4 plus pi whole square, taking square for numerator as well as denominator, plus pi, same thing, 400 by 4 plus pi whole square, and 2 is there, 2 comes here, right. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 200s are. So is equal to 400 by 4 plus pi minus 800 by 4 plus pi whole square minus 400 pi by 4 plus pi whole square plus 200 pi by 4 plus pi whole square. Okay, so what is the LCM? 4 plus pi, right. 4 plus pi whole square is the LCM. Here we are having only 4 plus pi. 4 plus pi whole square is not there. So we have to multiply, right, this with the 400. 400 into 4 plus pi minus here 800, right, minus 400 pi plus 200 pi. Okay, so here 4 2s are correct only. So is equal to, here 4 4s are 16, 1600 plus 400 pi minus 800 minus 400 pi plus 200 pi by 4 plus pi whole square. So positive value, negative value cancel. 1600 minus 800 is 800. 800 plus 200 pi by 4 plus pi whole square. Okay, we can take 200 common, right. So 200, right, if we take common, it is 4 2s are, right, 4 plus pi by 4 plus pi whole square. Okay, so 1 4 plus pi will get cancel, right. So therefore maximum area, right, is equal to 200 by 4 plus pi. That is the answer. Okay, 4 plus pi, downwards 4 plus pi, whole square is there. 1 4 plus pi will get cancel. So your maximum area is equal to 200 by 4 plus pi. Okay, so that is the answer of your question. So actually by seeing all these big values, don't get scared, right? If you do it, if you start doing smoothly, it will come. Why means already you know the concept. What is the concept? Maximum. So one time we have to differentiate, we have to equate to 0, we will get one value of r or x, right? At that point that function attains either maximum or minimum. So to know whether it attains a maximum or a minimum, right, we have to find one more time derivative, second derivative, and substitute the derived value. If the second derivative value is negative, right, so the function attains maximum. If second derivative value is a positive, right, then the function attains, positive means minimum, reverse, right, that's it. But only thing is here, first taking the values, be careful, we have taken rectangle and semicircle, not circle, right. So perimeter is given to us, perimeter means outer side length, right, this one is given as a 20. Okay, so by taking that clue, we have to find the maximum area. So if we take area of this window, it will be area of the rectangle and area of the semicircle. So you should be perfect with the formulas, then easily you will know it. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth or breadth into length. A into B, B into A, both are same, right? And area of semicircle, area of circle is pi r square. Semi means half of the circle. Area of half of the circle means pi r square by 2. Okay, so and try to convert from the given hint, try to convert your entire equation, right, should be in terms of one variable. So here your area is in terms of r now, variable r now, right. That means so that we can easily differentiate with respect to r. Suppose two variables are there, we cannot differentiate. So try to, in all these maxima and minima problems, first of all we will try to convert, we will do it, right, we have to do it, right, we have to get the function in terms of only one variable, then we will differentiate with respect to that variable. First time we will equate to 0, we will get that variable value, right. Next second time differentiate and substitute that derived variable in that equation. If you get your negative value, second derivative is a negative, the function attains the maximum. If it gets the positive, function attains the minimum value. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.